Sony is developing the Xperia Ace smartphone, which will be known as the Xperia Ace 2. The upcoming smartphone will be powered by a Snapdragon 690, which is one of the most recent chipsets. The Sony Xperia Ace 2 CPU is Octa-Core and it's located inside the handset. The incoming new smartphone features a 5.5-inch screen, which is a large screen display, as well as an IPS LCD Capacitive Touchscreen and a Full HD display with a resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels. The Sony Xperia Ace will have a robust RAM with a capacity of 3 GB. This new device has a built-in storage capacity of 32 GB. If you require additional storage, a microSD card is available. At the rear of the phone, the Sony Ace 2 sports a single camera. That's a 13-megapixel lens, by the way. The Sony Xperia Ace 2 selfie shooter, which is an 8-megapixel camera, will assist the user in capturing appealing selfies and conducting video calls. The forthcoming Xperia Ace 2 will rely on the Android 11 operating system. The phone's battery is massive, with a capacity of 4000 mAh.